How to lock profile on Facebook. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of app tutorial. In this video, let's learn how you can lock your profile of Facebook. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick to this video till the end and let's get right into it. Now the profile lock option may not be available in every country. If you have the profile lock option, you can just tap on a single button and your Facebook profile will be locked. But however, even though you don't have the profile lock option, I'm going to show you a couple of settings that will help to make your Facebook profile private. So first of all, to check if you have the profile lock or not, tap on the menu on the top right. From here, scroll down, tap on help and support and tap on help center. In this section, just search for profile lock. Tap on the profile lock option and again tap on lock your Facebook profile. Now if this menu also opens up for you which says this feature isn't available everywhere, that means the Facebook lock option is not available in your country. So if you're also in a location where profile lock is not available, let me show you a couple of other things that you can do. So again, come back to this menu and tap on settings and privacy. And again tap on settings. From the settings menu, tap on profile settings. And under privacy, tap on the privacy option. Now through this section, you can manage a couple of settings that will pretty much be the same as locking your profile on Facebook. So the first option is your activity, which is who can see your future post. Even if you lock your profile, only your friends would be able to see any post that you make on your profile. So this is also the setting similar to profile lock. You just need to select the friends option instead of public. So if yours is selected to public, you just tap on the friends option and any post that you make won't be visible to other people other than your friends. Through this setting, you can also tap on see more and you can also set in people that you don't want to show the post to. So just tap on friends accept and you can choose and remove the friends that you don't want to show the post to. Similarly, you can also do for other settings such as who can see the people, pages and list you follow. These are similar options, so choose depending upon which option you like. And similarly on who can see your stories and who can see your future reels. If you wanted to make it private to only your friends, tap on the friends option. If you scroll down below, you can see how people can find and contact you. It says who can send you a friend request. So by default, it would be selected to everyone. So you just need to tap on friends of friends. And you can also take a look at these other settings. So those are the couple of settings that you can do in order to lock your profile on Facebook. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.